Mr Tweedy, what is that chicken doing outside the fence?
Oh, I don't know, love.
Just deal with it now.
Now let that be a lesson to the lot of you.
No chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm!
You know what the problem is? The fences aren't just round the farm, they're up here, in your heads. There's a better place out there, somewhere beyond that hill, and well, it has wide open spaces and lots of trees and grass. Can you imagine that? Cool, green grass.
In all my life, I've never heard such a fantastic.
I'm sick and tired of minuscule dickens.
Oh, yes. Those chickens are chickened.
Quiet. I'm on to something.
They're organised, I know it.
Said quiet.
That ginger weed.
Mr Tweedy!
That's undiscipline in the ranks. What?
Thank you, Fowler.
My RAF days, we were never allowed to waste time with unnecessary chit-chat.
Yes, thank you, Fowler.
Right. Right, carry on.
Now, I know our last escape attempt was a bit of a fiasco. But Mac and I have come up with a brand new plan. Show 'em, Mac.
Right. We tried going over the wire, and that didn't work. So, the plan is, we go over the wire. Farmer's coming!
Huh?
Mr Tweedy!
Oh,
Where are you?
it's all in your head. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. Oh, that's champion, that is. What is it?
It's a pie machine, you idiot. Apples go in, pies come out.
Oh, what kind of pies?
Apple.
My favourite. How does it work?
Get me a chicken and I'll show you.
I know just the one. I've got a score to settle with you. Release! Is that your first offence?
This is a lovely holiday. I'll be sad to go back.
Mrs. Tweedy! The chickens are chickens. Oh.
Oh, my eyes. It was really boring.
They're gonna kill themselves. Wanna watch?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, chickens.
Which ones?
All of them.
Me tools! Why, you thieving little buggers?
What's the plan? Attack!
Nice plan.
Under the hut. What have we done? We mustn't panic. We mustn't panic.
I told you they were chickens.
Safety at all times is imperative. Now, wind it up and let her go!
So, is it as good as you imagined?
No.
Right, here's a thought. Why don't we get an egg and start our own chicken farm? That way we'll have all the eggs we could eat.
Right. We'll need an egg in there.
No, we'll need an egg. You have the egg first. That's where you get an egg.
Oh, that's cobblers. If you don't have an egg, where are you going to get an egg?
Having an egg. That comes from the egg.
Yeah, but you have to have an egg to have an egg.
Yeah, but you've got to get the egg first to get the egg, and then get the egg. The egg now.